What a place, man. Welcome to the incredible Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai, you have so much to offer. It's just massive for one, and number two, turn a different corner is just something amazing yet again. Look at these paddy fields here. There's all the workers down there. That's beautiful, that. So we haven't got much content on the wagon going around these roads, but I mean, some of them are very dangerous. That's where we've just come from. Just red dust road, like you can see. This is overlanding at its best. Seriously, Moose, you can't sleep there. You can't. You can't. You can't sleep there. You got to go back in your little boudoir in the back. All right. All right, you. Village life, eh? Takes me down, babe. Wake up. Right, bit of a pit stop because it's got a lot warmer down here. Believe it or not, we are lower. So we've parked up and get some more food on the go. The little fella's doing whatever he does. I don't know what he does. He just, oh, look at that. Interesting thing. Yeah, so we're going to have a little bit of food. Swan's decided to get in the car because it's cold and have a food. Whereas me, absolute red hot. I'm not kidding you, I'm absolutely red hot. That's the difference between us and them. The Asian people are just used to this. Anyway, I don't even care how we eat. Watch. Straight out of the pan. And him, he's trying to get everything. Piss off. Look, people, I'm going to be brutally honest with you. The weather hasn't been the best for us here in Chiang Mai. Or Chiang Mai, so I'm going to be limited to the footage. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a different episode, 2 different episodes regarding Chiang Mai, because it's that big. So I'll just put the clips in that I've made now. Hang on, the kettle's boiling. I'll just put the clips in that we've made so far, get an understanding where we are, what we've been doing, and I will make 2 separate episodes, one of Chiang Rai, one of Chiang Mai, Anne's just discovered this. Fucking brilliant idea. What a view while you're having a shite there.